Today is Monday, April 6, 2026, and in this series of videos, we're going to look at the top performing stocks in the first quarter of 2026 on TSFStocks.com. TSFStocks creates forecasts of specific limit order prices for each trading day, published 1 week in advance. Historical validation shows an average of 80% probability of profitability, and all of that data, every forecast and every result, is right here on the site for you to review independently. The custom stock ranking page lets you rank every stock on TSFStocks.com based on the total return of the most recent historical periods. The number 2 ranked ticker is TTMI, a technology stock. Let's take a closer look, clicking on the ticker link. Here's the complete signal analysis for TTM Technologies Incorporated. We're looking at the all forecast strategy, 85% confidence band, 5% profit target, and a 30-day forced exit. In the first quarter of this year, this stock had 30 buy signals. 100% of those signals hit the 5% profit target within the 30-day hold period, and the total return across all of the trades was 110%, or 22 closed positions. 8 of the positions in March are still open. Let me show you what this looks like on the forecast chart. The green zone is the map of normal. It shows the expected range for this stock. The lower band prices are the forecasted limit order entry prices. Now see these dark red dots? Each one marks a day when the stock's actual low dropped below the forecasted entry price, and that would have triggered a buy. The reason some of these dots are so much higher than the actual prices is that the historical confidence bands are revised weekly to maintain signal accuracy. So the forecast bands may shift after the signals are recorded, especially if the actual price of the stock for a week was significantly different from the forecasted price of the stock for that week. So here's today, and these are the forecasted limit order prices for the week of April 6th. Now remember, the stock may not trigger entries at these prices. But the real power here is comparing forecast strategies to find the one performing best for this stock right now. I've got a side-by-side view open. When I switch to a different forecast model, notice how the map of normal changes. It's a completely different forecast shape with different entry prices. With the A0 strategy, we're down to 26 events in the first quarter. And this strategy has a 100% win rate and it returned 130%. The A1 strategy had 17 events and returned only 85%. The combined strategies layer multiple forecast models together to maximize your entry opportunities. When we combine the all forecasts A0 and A2W strategies, the total return in the first quarter of 2026 hits 145%. The total return in March alone was 30%. This is definitely the winning strategy for TTMI. Here's how you trade on it. I'm clicking Add to Watch List. Once it's there, you can add it to your subscription. Every Sunday, you'll get updated limit order prices for the full trading week, a specific price for each day. If the stock drops to that price on Monday, that's your buy. Tuesday, Wednesday, same thing. These are your entry signals, and they carry an excellent chance of reaching 5% profit. You can subscribe for up to 50 tickers. Each one gets the same weekly forecast with daily limit order prices based on your selected strategy and confidence band. Subscriptions are for individual, non-commercial research use only. And the 14-day free trial gives you forecasted limit order prices for any 10 tickers you choose. Pick your stocks, see the signals, verify the results yourself. As always, past performance does not guarantee future results. Remember to like and subscribe to get the latest stock picks from TSFStocks.com.